Hi, I'm Robin, and today I will teach you how to make brownies. I guess you say, why brownies? Well, brownies happen to be one of my favorite treats. Brownies are warm, ooey gooey, and delicious. While though brownies are really good to our tummies, brownie can also be high in calories, fat, and sugar. So we do have to watch how much we eat. Today, I'll be teaching you my favorite recipe of brownies with a little twist, and I'll also show you the ingredients, the tools to make the brownies. That way that you can teach someone else how to make the brownies as well. The first thing we're going to do is show you the ingredients for the brownies. Now, of course, I've already washed my hands. Well, usually I would make my brownies from scratch with cocoa powder, but I noticed in the store that there was Betty Crocker fudge brownie made with Dutch cocoa. So we're gonna use this. You're gonna need 1 large egg. You're gonna need 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. And you're gonna need a cupful of walnuts. That's gonna be my twist, you guys. Okay. Now with sorry. Now we're gonna move on to the supplies needed. You're gonna need a large mixing bowl, an 8x8 pan, a can of non-stick butter spray, a mixing spoon, tablespoon, a spatula, and a fork. Now the key to making succulent brownies is your whipping game. To make sure that everything, all the ingredients that you mix into the bowl are mixed properly, folded in, and everything is, formed into this not too soupy but thick mixture. Okay, so guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna empty all the contents of the fudge brownie mix into the bowl. I've already done that. Get everything out of there. We're going to add the 1 cup of vegetable oil. We're going to add the 1/3 cup of walnuts. I'm going to crack the egg, 1 large egg. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of water. What we're going to do next, we're going to go ahead and take our mixing spoon and make sure we distribute all the ingredients that we emptied into the mixing bowl and fold it in very well. Make sure that all the powder is mixed in well. Mix, mix, mix. It smells really good, you guys. Want to make sure that you get the bottom of the pan. Brownies are not only good for snacks, you can also use brownies for parties, Christmas party, Valentine's Day. You can also add like a little twist to it, putting candies in there. I know for Valentine's Day, for my daughter's class, we made little heart-shaped brownies, like with cookie cutters. So that's a great idea also. Okay. You guys, we also want to make sure that we're going to go ahead and preheat the oven, because we do want the oven to be nice and hot. We're going to preheat the oven to 350. this. You see the consistency of that? It's not too soupy, but it's not too thick as well. It's just right. Okay. Now that looks really good, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna set that to the side. I'm also gonna take my fork and go around the edges and just to make sure that there's no mixture in here. We're gonna set that to the side. We're gonna take our 8x8 pan and we're gonna take our non-stick butter spray and we're gonna spray the inside of the pan. I'm gonna spray that real good. Okay. Then we're going to distribute the contents of the bowl, which is our brownie batter. I'm gonna make sure that it covers the pan. That's gonna be delish. Then I'm going to take my spatula and go around the edges to make sure all the batter is out. Smells so good. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to pop this into the oven. The oven is preheated on to 350. We're going to pop this in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. I prefer mine to be on at least 17 minutes. I like mine to be a little moist on the inside so it can be chewy. Once we pop this in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes, you take your brownies out to cool. And then, after they're cool, you cut them. And voila. This is the finished product. Nice, warm, succulent brownies. These brownies are delicious. Now, these brownies have walnuts in them. Like I said, you can put any kind of nuts in them that you want. They're delicious, guys. Look at that. Now you guys know how to make your own homemade brownies. I mean, that was so quick. All you have to do is pick up store-bought brownies, get the ingredients, and that was so simple. Pop quiz, you guys. What was the supplies needed to make your brownies? Right, you're right. An 8x8 pan, a spatula, a mixing spoon, a large mixing bowl, a spray. That's correct. Okay, next question. What was the ingredients to add to the mixing? You're right. 1 large egg, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of walnuts and the mixing itself, and 2 tablespoons of water. Another question. How long did you leave the brownies inside the oven? You're right. 18 to 25 minutes. I leave mine on for 17 minutes. It's all up to you. Why do I love brownies? I love brownies because brownies are my favorite treat. Well, guys, that's it for now. Thank you for watching my show, and I hope you're able to teach someone else to make the brownies. Bye-bye till next time.